Prezi is a presentation tool that allows the presentation to be very interactive. To get started, you go to the up right-hand corner and click Get Started. From here, you can do a standard, the plus, or the premium account, all which range, or you can just go to the basic account, which you can continue for free. So in order to start the Prezi, you make an account. So fill out the information and then hit create your free basic account at the bottom. Once you fill out the information and create your account, you can set up what kind of presentation you are making, whether it's for business, educators, a student, a training, a marketing, or other. Since I'm a student, I will click the student, next, and start a new presentation. From here, you can pick a template or you can customize your own. On the left, it lists the different categories you can choose from. Since I'm education, I'm going to click the education category, and it will take me to different templates that they offer. And then you just scroll and pick the one that you would like. It gives you a preview of what the template looks like. And then you can click Use this template and start your own. Once you have the template that you want to use, you have different options on the side that take you to the different parts of the presentation. For topic 1, you can choose to add text, add a different topic, add different subtopics, which branch off, change the background of the presentation, and add in different animations. To name your presentation, you just go up to the top left-hand corner, select, and type in whatever you want to name the presentation, what it's related to, what topic you're teaching. If you go to the right-hand corner, it has different buttons. The present button would take you to a full presentation of the entire Prezi. To the left is the comments that are left. It shows you the collaborators if you're working with any, the live Prezi, and also how to share it. So once you click share, you're going to hit create a new link. And for this example, I just typed in my name as the viewer's name. And at the bottom, you're going to hit create link. Here it gives you the link that you can copy and share with others who want to view this Prezi presentation. Once you share your link, anybody who has it will be able to view and interact with the presentation. Thank you.